try to hold down those edges so tomorrow when we go get retied, maybe she can put them inside of a sister lock. Okay, let's go, y'all. Everybody pray. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. That was terrible. Bye, y'all. Ooh, y'all, look at this leather though. Anybody that's been rocking with me since close to the beginning of my journey, when I swore the Sister Lock shampoo didn't lather, yeah, y'all can comment down below and like this video because you know your girl didn't know what she was doing. Just looking at it when we're not holding the camera, we did so good getting the build up out.
Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't.
Okay, you guys, so I took out my yarn braids and it looks like everything's good. Like, I didn't damage anything. Yes, I am Raven, talking to the people. So, we are excited about that. They look good. They look long. That braid out got them, like, stretched, you guys. So, the yarn braids was a vibe for me for a couple of weeks. But, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm happy to see my hair. Just want to show y'all our before. I got a little build up stuff going on up in here. So we're gonna do a shampoo. Okay, but yeah, we're gonna go shampoo. See y'all in a minute. Okay, you guys, so we're about to do the shampoo. I didn't film me braiding and banding just because I've done it before. It's repetitive, but I will say, you guys, this time, if you can look, I did the braids a little bit smaller, and that is for two reasons. One being that taking out my yarn braids, as you guys saw previously, the hair seems to be stretched a little bit more, and I think it's because the braids, I didn't have as much hair in each braid. So I think for a longer stretch, if you guys want to stretch your locks, I think the secret is doing smaller braids, but we'll see when I take it down to tomorrow morning. And the second one is because I really want to do a really good shampoo, and I want to make sure my hair's on the edges where, y'all know I got struggle edges, but y'all, we got edges. I'm about to upgrade them from struggle edges to just thin edges, okay? But I'm going to I want to shampoo really, really good, but I don't want my, I have three like little ones up here that she started, and I want to keep them in, so I did the braids smaller so that they can, you know, be in there tighter. But for the shampoo, you guys, I'm going to be using Carrot Care First Lather. It's a clarifying shampoo. I'm going to shampoo at least 2 times with this, maybe 3 depending on how the buildup moves. And then I'm going to follow it with the Sister Lock Starter Shampoo. Now, the thing I will say is in between each shampoo, I go in the bathroom. I have a bathroom down here on the main floor, and I check and see if I still see buildup. So without further ado, let's get into the shampoo, okay? If you guys are wondering why I shampoo my hair in my kitchen sink, it is because in my shower, the pressure is not strong enough for me, I guess, with the shampooing, because I did start out shampooing my Sister Locks when I shower, and I struggle with rinsing out all of the Sister Lock shampoo. So that's why I've decided to start shampooing in the kitchen, because my sink sprayer has that feature, and it helps me to rinse really good. Just in case you guys are wondering, like, girl, why don't you shampoo in the shower? That's why. Okay, you guys, so I did a build-up check, and it looks pretty good compared to what we were, I don't know if y'all can see that, what we were looking like before I started. But I saw a little bit in this lock. This always been my lock that gets built up. So I'm going to go ahead and shampoo it one more time with the first lather, and then we're going to follow it with the Sister Lock shampoo. So let's do it. My back hurt. That's the worst part about shampooing in this dango sink is my back hurt. And since I timed it, it took me about 15 minutes to get my hair shampooed. But you guys, let's go check it out. Let's go. Oh, let's see. Oh, my back hurt. I can't wait to get in my bed. Okay. The big reveal. Hold on. Okay, you guys, so this is looking at it with me not holding the camera. We did so good getting the buildup out. So I started off with struggle edges, you guys, but now we are getting some edges. So like all of this hair, these little short hairs, they weren't here when I started my locks. So now they stress me out. So what I'm gonna do is take a comb and an old hair toothbrush, my scarf, which is gonna be this little blue stretchy like satin one, and I'm just going to, and I'm gonna just do this lightly, because what I want to do in a sense is stretch my edges to encourage her to like start them. So we're gonna see if it helps, because you know hair shrinks, and my hair is already drawn up now. So I'm thinking if I brush my little struggle edges, don't know if this gonna make a difference or not, but I'm gonna share with y'all, because if it works, y'all need to know. And then I'm going to fold my scarf like an old school bandana, just in a big triangle, and we're gonna lay that on the edges. And I just want to yeah, hold my edges down, y'all. I just want this stuff to, I'm tired of these little fuzzy edges because they look short, but since they was kind of stretched under my yarn braids, they actually got a good amount of length on it. And I'm sorry I'm talking low, y'all. It's like 11 o'clock at night, my kid's in the bed, and I don't want Raven to get up, think I'm having fun without her, because they don't have school tomorrow, but I still want them to go to bed. Y'all know what I'm saying? Mommy time. So I'm going to do this, and I'm about to take a shower. So on top of this, I'm going to take a wig cap. And y'all, just a little tip, because I use these when I tie my, like, wear scarves on my head and stuff, and of course when I wear my wigs. Did y'all know y'all can wash these? I washed them on accident. Don't they look new? Girl, washed and dried. Let's see if it still fit. So since I'm gonna get in the shower, I'm gonna put a little wig cap on for, no, maybe I don't have to. Oh no, I don't have to. I was going to get the end of my scarf, keep it from hanging. But we don't need it. But yeah, you can wash your wig caps. But yeah, we're gonna see if that makes a difference. I don't want it low on my forehead, but we just wanna try to hold down those edges so tomorrow when we go get retied, maybe she can put them inside of a sister lock. Okay, let's go, y'all. Everybody pray. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. That was terrible. Bye, y'all.
It really just depends on whatever feels good in my soul.